Next, we have specification number 2, which focuses on the importance of active transport in ion uptake by root hair cells. This concept explains how plant roots absorb essential mineral ions from the soil, even when their concentration is lower outside than inside the root cells. Since this process occurs against the concentration gradient, the plant must use energy to actively transport these ions, ensuring proper nutrient absorption for growth and development. Have a look at this image, which presents a labeled cross-section of a plant root, illustrating key tissues involved in water and nutrient transport. It highlights structures such as the xylem, phloem, cortex, epidermis, and root hairs. The epidermis, the outermost layer, protects the root and absorbs water and minerals, with root hairs increasing the surface area for absorption. Beneath it, the cortex consists mainly of parenchyma cells that store food and water. The endodermis, a single-cell layer surrounding the vascular cylinder, regulates the movement of water and minerals into vascular tissues. Just inside the endodermis, the pericycle plays a role in lateral root development. The vascular cylinder, stele, the central part of the root, contains the xylem, which transports water and dissolved minerals upward, and the phloem, which distributes sugars from the leaves to other plant parts. The diagram provides a clear visual representation of these structures, emphasizing their roles in essential plant functions. At last, we will learn about active transport in root hair cells, which is a fundamental process that ensures plants absorb essential nutrients and water from the soil, even when these substances are in lower concentrations outside the root than inside. Unlike passive transport, which relies on diffusion, active transport requires energy, which is derived from respiration in mitochondria. This energy allows the root hair cells to take in vital mineral ions such as nitrates, potassium, and magnesium, moving them against the concentration gradient. Maintaining this ion balance is crucial for various cellular functions, including enzyme activation, protein synthesis, and overall plant metabolism. Moreover, active transport helps plants adapt to different soil conditions by regulating nutrient uptake based on availability. In nutrient-deficient soils, this process becomes even more critical, as passive diffusion alone would not be sufficient for survival. The efficiency of active transport directly impacts plant health, supporting root development, cell function, and overall growth. Without active transport, plants would struggle to acquire necessary nutrients, leading to stunted growth and poor development. Thus, active transport in root hair cells is a key mechanism that underpins the functionality of the root system, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption and interaction with the environment. That concludes section 3.2, and with that, we have now finished our chapter 3. I realize there may be a delay between uploads, but my priority is always to provide high-quality content and ensure that all key information is thoroughly covered for your understanding. For further revision and guidance, make sure to check the notes in the description and pinned comments. If this lecture has been helpful to you, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on future content. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Take care.